Hi, welcome to Inspire with Sweta. Today's video is based on feeling lost topic. So, have you ever felt completely lost in life? I have too, and I know how heavy that silence feels. It wasn't easy, but I found my way back. Not all at once, just one small step at a time. These 5 things helped me rebuild my confidence, and maybe they'll help you too. Number 1, I forgave myself for the things I couldn't control. Number 2, I set one small goal every morning, even something simple like drinking more water. Number 3, I stopped comparing my life with others, especially online. Number 4, I learned new things that made me feel alive again, like editing videos or reading. Number 5, and I started speaking kindly to myself every single day. You don't need to have it all figured out, you just need to begin. I'm still learning, and I'm with you. If you're on your healing journey too, this space is for you. Subscribe, share. Let's grow together, one step at a time.